Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be data entry and is paying $25 an hour. I do want to quickly note I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online. So if they don't list any state restrictions, I assume that they're hiring nationwide throughout the United States. But again, I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted in the actual job description. But with that being said, the links, if you're interested in reading reviews or putting the application in, is directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Pratt Institute is hiring for data entry. They have 346 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry associate. Now this says PT, so I'm assuming that is a part-time. Now, Pratt Institute is based out of Brooklyn, New York, but they are looking for a data entry associate to help maintain accurate and up-to-date donor and gift information within their Edge database. So you're going to accurately input donor and gift details to the institution in the fundraising database, prioritizing data integrity and completeness. You'll regularly review and validate data for precision, consistency, and entirety, assisting in accurate processing and acknowledgments of the donations, maintaining clear communication with the donors, generating both standard and ad hoc reports as requested by the director or finance teams of the donations and things coming in. Now, you will also help establish and implement best practices for this data entry and management of this data so that it can stay confidential when handling sensitive donor information. Now, they do prefer some coursework, college coursework, but it's not required. Just a high school diploma or GED is required. They do have to have prior data experience. Ideally, that would be in fundraising or nonprofit organizations, but that's not required, just prior data entry experience. You do need to have a basic understanding of financial transactions and terminology and great attention to detail with great organizational skills. Now, if this sounds right up your alley, pay for this position is $25 an hour, and this is a fully remote position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.